First cast out. Fish on. Ah! Oh, he took my bait. Today I wear a camera. There's no fish on me.
Did you get a bite earlier though?
Yeah, just one. It's like no fish if I get a camera on. That's like messed up. Fish on, guys. Oh.
What do you think?
Fish on. Fish on, guys. My second fish of the day. Let me get closer.
In the angle. Oh, God.
Good catch. Second fish.
You see it?
Yeah, fish on right now.
Find my bobber. This second time happened to me today. Bobber gone.
Someone's got busy, that's why.
Ooh, nice one. Whoa.
It's a fighter. See it? He's a fighter.
He's a fighter. For sure. Whoa, he don't want to come in. Up.
Right there.
That's so funny.
That's a bite.
That was a bite.
He's still on. Yeah, he's still on.
Got him.
Take off.
That spot, man. That spot always
You
has
got
fish.
fish on.
That's where all the fish is at. Just that spot right there. I have a feeling I'm not on him that good. Dang. He's a fighter. He's not ready.
Don't force it. Dude, don't force it. He doesn't want to come. Don't let him come. Oh boy.
Hey, fish bite, fish bite, fish bite.
It is fish bite. I got fish bite.
Go. He's pulling your thing.
I know, I saw
Down, all the way.
fish bite on my yard.
You
Double.
got what you wanted. You got what you wanted.
On.
It's on, right? It's on.
It's gone.
It's gone?
It's not a fish. My bait's still there.
That was a fish, huh? They pulled it. I saw it moving.
On.
They let them hang out that one spot, huh?
I think so.
Yeah.
I think it's a pretty tiny one.
Can't be a DFG.
It's pretty tiny.
Nah, he's just coming.
Oh, he's swimming.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
He's big.
Whoa, it's a good size.
Calm down, man.
What a nice size.
He's alright.
See? Ooh-wee. Nice. That pretty quick. Whoa.
Go under me. Hey.
No, you're fine. You're fine. Just bring your neck over here. I'm not trying to go over you. You're fine.
Well, I gotta net it.
Yeah, put your pole there.
I saw a fish bite. Going down.
Come on.
That's a nice one.
Yeah.
Just relax.
Ooh.
I saw it like.
Oh no.
Gotta be. What else can it? Right
Yeah,
there.
you're right there.
Yep. Just wait. You're getting a bite. Right there.
Fish on! I told you someone's messing with my.
Come on. Right there. I know it. I know how it works now.
What do you mean?
I know how it works. That's why I said right there. I count down already for you. I know how it works now.
Oh, swimming rescue. Got it. Ding 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 ding
Det
ding.
gör man god bite now.
I know. That's.
The bite is you saw it right there.
I'm throwing out there too.
No, I'm talking about that one. One of those.
Oh,
Ooh, that's the spot right there. That's the hot spot. You
let's
right
see.
in the hot spot.
Caught 3 fish in that spot. See what happened. Hey, right there. For fish. Pretty strong.
Yeah, Jack.
I know. That's pretty strong. The drag is the drag is the same.
Easy. That's a big one.
The drag is the same one as the other one I just caught.
Put your tip down so that way he don't jump. Bring it over here.
Look at him go. Look at him go. Look at him go. Look at him go.
Hold that.
Yeah.
That's a big one.
Wow. He's a strong boy.
Be careful.
I don't have my other shoes, so
You don't want to lose a fish of a lifetime now.
Alright, this is my number 4.
Dude, he's big. Whoa. He's a good one.
Oh. He's not going anywhere.
Just take it easy.
Not too bad.
Not too bad.
This not this. Yep. Yep. Oh, it come off. Oh no. It's a big one. Bing bing.
Oh my goodness. I missed.
My turn.
Oh my goodness.
Here you go. Here you go. Come on, fishy, fishy. Come on, fishy, fishy. We need just one more fish.
I thought I jumped there. That's so mean, dude. That's just wrong, man. What the? I haven't messed up yet. You know that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought I figured it out, and now he just say nope.
He spit it and throw it out on mine. Oh, he's on. He's on. He's on.
Here we go. Here we go.
Got it. Fish on. Fish on, guys. Last one. He's shaking on it.
That's a big one. Okay, find it like a person.
Last one.
on now.
I be fine like a person. What are you talking about?
Fight it like a regular person.
He's pretty big.
I know he's big.
What the? I want to see how big he is.
Get it closer. Come on. Hey, calm down.
Wow. He jumped.
I lick your paw.
Can't see my. Whoa. It's a nice one. Last fish. Time to go home. Wrap it up.